Did Albert Einstein uncover the truth of Buddhism? Throughout human history, science and religion have often been seen as opposing domains. Science is grounded in logic and experimentation, while religion is associated with faith and concepts beyond human reasoning. But does this dichotomy apply to all religions? Albert Einstein, one of the greatest scientists of the 20th century, made a surprising statement: if there is any religion that could cope with modern scientific needs, it would be Buddhism. What led a scientist so devoted to the pursuit of truth to make such a profound observation about Buddhism? Could it be that Buddhism is not just a religion but also a methodology for understanding the essence of ourselves and the universe? Today, we will explore the remarkable connection between Buddhism and modern science, uncovering why Buddhism is regarded as a pinnacle of human wisdom. Einstein and the quest for truth. Albert Einstein was not only a physicist who revolutionized the world with his theories but also a great philosopher of his time. From a young age, Einstein questioned the doctrines imposed by society. Similarly, Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, embarked on a journey of seeking truth by abandoning conventional beliefs. At 16, Einstein posed a seemingly simple but revolutionary question: what would happen if I rode on a beam of light? This question not only led to the theory of relativity but also illustrated his relentless desire to understand the deeper nature of reality, a desire Buddhism shares. Before attaining enlightenment, the Buddha also posed profound questions. What is the cause of suffering? How can suffering be overcome? Both figures refused to accept easy answers and used wisdom and experience to uncover profound truths. Buddhism and the science of impermanence. One commonality between Buddhism and modern science is the acknowledgement of impermanence. Anicca, the Buddha taught that nothing lasts forever. Everything, from the human body to nature and the universe, changes over time. Einstein affirmed this through his theory of relativity. According to his theory, time is not an absolute constant but depends on factors like speed and gravity. For instance, time on a high mountain flows slightly faster than time in a deep valley. What does this mean for our lives? Understanding that everything is impermanent can help us let go of attachments and live with greater mindfulness, appreciating each moment of the present. Einstein's thought experiments and Buddhist meditation. One unique method Einstein used to achieve groundbreaking discoveries was thought experiments. He would imagine physical phenomena in his mind and use reasoning to analyze and derive conclusions. This method allowed him to discover the laws of physics without the need for a laboratory. This approach is remarkably similar to meditation in Buddhism. Through meditation, one focuses the mind, contemplates specific objects or issues, and eliminates distractions to attain deeper understanding. Through meditation, the Buddha realized the nature of suffering and found the path to enlightenment. Likewise, Einstein harnessed the stillness of his mind to uncover profound truths about the universe. The principle of emptiness, Sunyata, and quantum mechanics. One of Buddhism's central philosophies is the concept of emptiness, Sunyata, the idea that nothing exists independently and that all phenomena arise through interconnected causes and conditions. Similarly, quantum mechanics reveals that fundamental particles do not exist in fixed states but are dynamic, interacting within a complex web of relationships. For example, the state of a particle can change depending on how we observe it. This resonates with the Buddhist notion that human perception influences how we understand reality. Ethical responsibility and compassion. Einstein's legacy extends beyond science. He was deeply committed to ethical responsibility. After World War II, he strongly opposed the use of nuclear weapons and called for humanity to Live with compassion. Buddhism also emphasizes that wisdom must be paired with compassion to alleviate suffering. Without compassion, intelligence can become a tool for harm. This is why the Buddha consistently taught the importance of practicing compassion alongside developing wisdom. Buddhism, a scientific methodology. Buddhism does not demand blind faith. Instead, the Buddha encouraged his followers to verify his teachings through personal experience, much like how science relies on experimentation. While science explores the material world, Buddhism delves into the inner world of the mind. Yet both share a common goal: to understand the nature of reality and improve human life. Albert Einstein serves as a vivid example of the harmony between science and spirituality. He demonstrated that intelligence is not just for understanding but also for creating a meaningful life. Buddhism and science, despite their different approaches, converge at a shared pursuit of ultimate truth. What can we learn from this relationship? It underscores the importance of balancing wisdom with compassion, knowledge with ethics, to create a better world. Thank you for spending time with us today. If you found this content meaningful, please like, subscribe, and share to spread these valuable insights.